Hello fellow YouTubers, this is a video for the Hyundai Veracruz headlight assembly removal. If you need to change the bulbs, you can try to do it from the inside the engine compartment. It's a little tight, so I would recommend taking the whole light fixture out in order to change the bulbs. Now to do so, you need to take off a bolt over here, another bolt down here, and there's one more on the inside. Let me see if I can show you. There's one right here too that comes off. Once you get that off, the light is loose. You can take it out, but it's going to be very difficult because it's interlocked with the rest of the grill. So you have to loosen up the grill. There's a bolt here. There's some screws in the back, and what it actually is let me show you. A bolt. It's a 10mm bolt, and the screws is actually these guys. It's plastic. It's inside a grommet, which actually expands it, and you can, once you loosen it up, you can pull the whole assembly out. Now, all you got to do is shake this part up. Maybe somebody can help you as you have that up. That'll alleviate some pressure on this fixture. And I would recommend grabbing it right in the corner here and lift and shake it, lift, shake, lift, shake. It might take a little bit of time, but you'll eventually get it out. Now, before you pull it out completely, I would say take out the power. That's this wire right here. It has a little tab on top. You just press it down and you can unplug it. Once you get this light fixture out, there you go. And you can access your light bulbs. Let me put it down. You can see it better. Actually, let me show you on the other fixture. I have it out already. It has covers to get to the bulbs. You twist it. There's one light bulb you can take off. It's pretty easy, that one. Cover that. There's another one down here. All you do is twist it. It actually comes out completely. Put it back in. This one's a little bit more complicated. You have a little bulb right in this corner. You might have to use a needle nose to pull that out. You could twist it barely, just until you feel that it's loose, that you could pull it out. If not, it's kind of jammed in here. Now this bulb right here, you can pull it out. You take off the socket, which is easy. But you have the spring assembly here. Spring assembly goes from here to here. It holds the light bulb in place. Be very careful when you take it out. You press this down and release it from underneath that tab. But be careful, that spring could bounce. Then you could change the bulb. Make sure you remember how this goes back on. Then plug the socket back in. Put the cover back on. And just do everything in reverse and you should be set. It doesn't take much time, but you have to be patient. Do not force anything. You don't want to break anything. And do this on a nice day so you're not freezing outside, and take your time. Make sure you have plenty of time to do this. You don't want to mess up something that's so simple to do. So I hope this helps. Take care.